Hello guys, in this video I'm here to show you how I sometimes help to straighten my hair using the Tymo straightener. It's written the Tymo. So pretty much I'm done doing the back side, so I just said that I should make a video starting from the front place or the front portion or the front part. Yep, so I just decided to say, let me show my viewers what I sometimes do to increase the length of my hair. Either you blow out first before you straighten it, or you can still do it while it's actually really natural, but at that stage it's gonna be very hard. It's gonna be very hard for you to get it done up to the tip. So what you want to do to make your job easier, so that you don't stay there too long, you gotta blow out your hair to help it look light in texture and to reduce the thickness at the tip, both bottom and tip. Yeah, the thickness of the hair in general before you start straightening it. So I use this Tymo. Some people say Tymo. Is it Tymo? I don't know how you might pronounce it at your end. Either it's Tymo or Tymo. Yeah, I think this one is easier for me. It looks like a brush or a comb. You just take it underneath and comb it to the tip. So I think this one is easier for me to use, other than the straightener itself, the one that has a tongue or the tongue type. The tongue type is harder for me, but it's easier for some people. That one, I can easily get myself burned. I've tried it not once or twice. I've tried several times, but it's not working. So I decided to buy this one some times ago. And I've been using the Tymo straightener. So in case sometimes you see my hair increasing in length and you're wondering, hey, yesterday her hair was short. What happened today? Know that this is what I did. This is exactly what I do few times, but not always. But I'm beginning to think that I will start to perm my hair, because I'm really tired of the whole thing, keeping natural hair. So I'm beginning to think if I should go ahead and perm it sometimes in the nearest future, or I should just let it be. You get. So that's what I have for this. I said I want to upload a video that I have to show to my viewers what I do sometimes to extend the length of my hair. Alright guys, as always, don't hesitate to subscribe, like and share. Yep, it might not be too much for you, it might not be anything for you, but something for some people. So when you buy this straightener, it comes along with a brush you just saw me using. It comes in the packet and the toe gloves. This thing has been with me for a while. I bought it like 2020. It's been with me since 2020, so I have it with me. It's been like 3 years and it's still working good. I mean, the straightener, some of them are like 2 years. Like, it's been a while. No, that's it. So keep watching, like, share and subscribe. almost getting to the end of my video. I'm almost done. So I decide to do this edge or this sided one before I do the other one. For some reason the other one was like disturbing, so I had to finish the one at the side before I do this the one I'm actually doing right now. Yeah, be careful, don't burn your hand, because at that moment as you put the iron on your hair, as soon as you take it off, that portion of the hair, it's hot. So if you are that kind that's so tender, make sure you put on your gloves, because it comes with the gloves. Okay, make sure you use your gloves. Don't imitate me, don't imitate others. People are different. Some of us have big heart in some certain things, in doing some certain things. So if you're not that kind that has a big heart in some certain things, don't do it. If you're scared, if you're that kind that's so scared of some hot object, I'm scared of hot object, but no, if you are really scared, don't try it. Do not try it. It's not everything you see on somebody and then you go ahead and try it. No, you don't have to try everything, because not everything works for everybody. Do what works for you, and let the other people do what works for them. That's how life is. It's not really good in imitating. Imitation is not good. Too much imitation is not good. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave you at this point. As always, don't hesitate to like, share and subscribe. I'm done now. I have to comb my hair, add lotion and the solid lotion, and you gotta see the length of my hair as you watch. Bye. I love you.